3 years ago, I was in ICU, and I was clinically dead. And this voice, this beautiful voice, came to me, and he said, I want you to go back and learn about Islam. I was clinically dead, and he sent me back and told me to learn about Islam. You know, I never knew about Islam, you know, Muslims. I thought they were a bunch of terrorists. I got a hold of Fahil, who called Yusuf, and he came to my room, and I said the words, and I became Muslim at that point. It made me feel so wonderful. It's like the weight of the world went on me. And I've never felt so good after I said the words to be Muslim. And being a good Muslim, I don't eat pork anymore. I don't drink alcohol. I'm in peace. My family members are all Christians. And I don't get into religion with them because I can't convert them, you know. But I do pray to Allah to help them. They told me that I was crazy, and they said to me, how can you become Muslim? And, you know, they thought Muslims are terrorists, you know, and I get it from my family. You know, Jesus is the one and only God, you know. Well, I think Jesus was a good prophet, but Allah is the one and true only God. Islam is the one and only way to go. I live, brothers and sisters, and when He wants me to go to Jannah, Allah will call for me, and I will die in peace, because I know I'm Muslim. You know, people make fun of me. I don't care, because I know what's in my heart.